Hello everyone, so ang una natin gawin ay pumunta sa ating GNA CAD application sa ating mobile phone. At kung makikita nyo ay meron kayo nakitang plus sign, i-select lamang ito at select ang matrix. I-click ang plus sign at select ang line command and specify the first point, second point, until makabuo kayo ng isang bagay. Katulad ito. So yan po ang line command. So let's go proceed to circle command. So i-click lamang itong plus sign at i-select itong circle command. Plus sign po, circle command. Yes, itong circle command, and as you can see, meron pa tayong mga option dyan. So pipili lang tayo, itong 2 points aking pinili. So 1, 2. So ayan lang po kadali ang paggawa ng circle dito sa GNA CAD application. So pwede po kayong pumili dito, itong 3 points. So 1, 2, and 3. So meron na po kayong circle. At subukan naman natin itong center radius. So click the center and split it up. Okay, that is the circle command. Ngayon naman is meron na kayo itong square. So ito is isang square at ito ay i-jumper command po natin. So i-click lamang itong pencil icon at hanapin ang jumper command. So click ang first line at second line ng ating i-jumper. Yan po, meron na po siyang slant line. So ulitin naman itong process hanggang sa matapos ang inyong output. So modify, select the first line and second line. So yan ang po kadali. Dito lang po siya sa makikita sa green na pencil icon. So that is jumper command. Let's go proceed to fillet command. So click lamang itong green na pencil again at select the first line and the second line ng ating fillet command. So yan. So ang kaibahan niya is curve siya. So sa jumper command is slant ang line ng ating square. So ganyan po ang fillet command. So medyo round po yung edge ng ating square. So yan po, first line and second line. So ganyan po. And select ang pencil again and select jumper command and hanggang matapos po tayo. That is the fillet command. So dito naman tayo sa ating offset command. So as you can see, meron po tayong circle dito at ito ang ating i-offset. So select lamang itong green na pencil icon at select natin itong offset. At pag na-select natin is kailangan specify ang offset distance sa 10 or depende sa inyo. So akin is 10. So select the object you want to offset and select the center. Okay, hanggang sa maging ganyan siya. So just repeat the process. Then that is the offset command. So ngayon naman is ang ating trim command. So as you can see, the triangle is not perfect kasi meron siyang excess line. So ang gagawin natin is remove natin. So select lamang itong pencil na green icon and select the trim na nasa baba, then select the object you want to trim. Yan po, hanggang sa malinis yan. This is the perfect triangle. Wala na po siyang excess na line. At ito naman ating hatch command. So as you can see, meron po tayong circle na may circle sa gitna. At itong hatch command naman ang ating command. So press the plus sign and select the hatch command. Yan po, hatch, and you can select the solid, yes, and select the object, and another naman itong agad. So select naman ng ating second layer. So kung gusto niyo namang i-modify ang ating color is just click the properties and select the color you want. So select naman itong circle sa gitna para change ng color. So select the 3 dots and go to properties and select the color. So example is the magenta. So yan lang po ang ating output sa hash command. So line style. So ito yung ating line style. So ang kailangan natin para ma-modify itong line style is to select the object and select the properties. So dito natin ma-modify kung ano itong kailangan natin i-modify, like line type, line scale, line weight, at line thickness, so that modify natin what is the desired line style you wanted to your output. Yun po, transparency, thickness. Dito po natin mamodify ang line style sa properties. And that is the line style. So, then proceed naman tayo dito sa panning and zooming. So, what is panning? So, ang panning po is kailangan lang nating i-touch yung object at i-drag po natin yan. That is panning. And the zooming naman is kailangan nating i-zoom gamit yung 2 fingers natin. Yan. Zoom in, zoom out. At pwede rin sa 3 dots sa taas at click ang zoom out. At dito naman tayo sa object with orbit rotation. So, kailangan po nating sa view niya is i-modify natin na naka 3D mode po siya para meron po siyang orbit rotation. So, kailangan po natin siya i-3D sa view mode. So, para po makita natin lahat yung angle ng isang bagay para maging ganyan po yung square. That is the example of the orbiting the object. So, that's all po. Thank you for watching. I hope you learn so much from this lesson tutorial and GNA CAD application. Thank you. Bye bye and God bless.